Alright, so let's assume that you have a YouTube account, right? And you want to invite people to manage your account without having to see your backend activities, how much you earn, and all of that stuff, right? Your personal finances. You do not have to give the person your login in terms of your Gmail account, your Gmail password. For instance, you see, we have a channel like this that has over almost 4 million views already, and sometimes to grow a channel like this, you require help. You can do it all by yourself, so you kind of need extra hands to help you manage it. So when you bring in extra hands, oftentimes most people make the mistake of just giving them their login, right? So you give them your login, and then that just exposes you, because then they see how much you earn every single month from YouTube, and they could do anything with that figure, and also they could do anything with your channel. They could reset the setting, your Google AdSense, and receive payments on your behalf and all that. So you don't want all of that stuff. So the easiest thing to do is to grant these people admin access to your account. It's just like you're creating a Google Doc, right? You have a Google Doc, and then you invite people as editors, whatever role you want or capacity you want them to, right? So how to do that very quickly is you're just gonna come here to settings, all right? Settings on your channel, and once you come on settings on your channel, you want to come to permissions, and then under permissions, you can see currently there is the owner, which is myself, and then I am also an editor here. So you want to click on invite. Previously, this isn't how it usually works. So you want to click on invite, and once you click on invite, you want to type in the email address of whoever you want to invite in. So once you're done with that, you're going to select the access you want to give the person. So if you're choosing to give the person the access of manager or editor, so as a manager, the person can view everything, manage permissions, go live and create or edit and delete the content. But for an editor can only view everything, go live and create and edit content, but can't manage permission or delete content, right? So whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to grant this person the role of a manager, right? So I'm going to click on done, and you can see this person has been added, but it's going to show pending invitation because you have not saved it. So once you click on save, an invitation is going to be sent to the said party, and then all the party has to do is to save that invitation, is to accept that invitation, and they would automatically have access to your channel, and they'll be able to upload on your channel. And so I'm just going to come here and click on save, and that will be, it says to continue. We need to confirm it's really you, the extra layer of security. So this is where you get to enter your password, because of course they need to be sure that you're the one granting this access. You see, mine has been saved because I recently granted someone access and I entered my password, so I'm guessing they're sure. So let's just check that to see what that looks like again. So settings, and then you go to permissions, and you can see everybody here. So if you want to remove anybody here, all you have to do is to come here and probably just remove access. You click on remove access, and the person is out of your YouTube channel, and that's about it. So if you feel like I gave you value for your time, this is where you get to subscribe to this channel. If it's your first time, like this video for more tips like this. I'll see you in my next video.